everyone, in this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to fix CapCut PC lagging. Dealing with CapCut lagging can be incredibly frustrating as it hinders your video editing process with stuttering and freezing. Let's dive into the steps to achieve smooth video playback. Firstly, go to the top right above the video preview and click on the three lines. Then, select Preview Quality or hover over it and choose Performance Priority. This setting prioritizes playback smoothness over screen resolution. Try this out and see if it improves the performance. Next, modify the project settings by clicking on a blank space in the timeline. Move to the right into Details and click on Modify at the bottom right. Select Performance and turn on Proxy to speed up editing. Choose a resolution, such as 540p, to maximize editing speed. Save the settings. Don't worry, the final export will still be in high quality. This setting only affects the preview during editing. By following these steps, you should now experience a smoother editing process in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching.